No, but I just want him to get the maximum that they can possibly give him, and he should be, and hopefully he should never be out in society. That's what I think. He doesn't belong.
I don't think it should be a whole life tour for it, because that man's too dangerous to let out on the street. It'll never be safe to let that man out on the street, as far as I'm concerned, anyway.
She would have been only about, maybe 5. She's probably about 6 or 7 then, maybe. There's Jane on her communion and Natalie's with her.
Let's see. Oh, God, made it.
I love school. Music, and as you know, the pop music and the music, and
She brought us down to Crook Park to see Ed Sheeran. She paid for the hotels and the whole lot, and I was not impressed with him, but Natalie loved Ed Sheeran. But our big group was Killers. She loved the Killers.
Them,
you don't say nothing bad about them. Like,
and she would have went with her brother. She'd went a few.
And before she was murdered, she bought us tickets to go to see the Killers out in what do you call it, Armagh Park, and unfortunately she was killed. She was murdered, but the tickets was on our phone, and the police had our phone, so we didn't think we'd be able to get the thing, and we tried everything, and then by the day before we were supposed to go, I think the police managed to
get them unlocked or whatever.
Get them off the phone that we could all go to them. She bought tickets not just for me and you, but for the boys, and I think about 5 or 6 of us went. She bought the tickets for a lot of it, just to go and see a few of them.
It was great, and I thought, and it was good. I know it was good, it was brilliant.
Essentially, we have a guilty verdict, but he is still to be sentenced in relation to this. You're going to have to go back to court again. What would you like to see happening in terms of the sentencing?
Well, before he was even found guilty, we knew he was guilty, but we were thinking. I was thinking about this here, and I always thought to myself, no matter how long he gets, it wouldn't be long enough, So if I come out of court after the tour, I'm going to be disappointed no matter what it is, because it's not going to be long enough. You know what I mean? So, and then you hear all these, veiled crimes, and then the judge, they're getting very short sentences, especially over here compared to over in England, and that was scaring me that he gets off for something, a short, under 20 years, for something as vile as that, that's what would have scared me more than anything,
No, but I just want him to get the maximum that they can possibly give him, and he should be, and hopefully he should never be out in society. That's what I think. He doesn't belong.
I don't think it should be a whole life tour for it, because that man's too dangerous to let out on the street. It'll never be safe to let that man out on the street, as far as I'm concerned, anyway.